Just did an AlloClae case. This is an injectable fat. A lot of people have been asking, what can I do if I don't have enough fat to inject? Well, previously we used Sculptra. I still use Sculptra, but Sientra came out with AlloClae, basically cadaveric fat, and you can be awake and we take it, a little injection cannula, and you inject it into the buttock so that you get volumization with fat. It works really well. Downsides, it's a bit expensive, right? All of this product costs money. If you have your own fat, obviously natural fat transfer is going to be a lot better and cheaper. But if you don't have that, or you just don't want to undergo anesthesia to get the liposuction, this is a great option to do interlocal. You sit there, we numb up the area, make a tiny little hole, and we inject the product using this syringe and this tiny little cannula here, okay? So it's generally tolerated pretty well, and then it kind of builds a little bit the first few days as it hydrates, and then it lasts forever. So it's really good stuff. Check it out, AlloClae. You can shoot us in the DMs if you have any questions.